In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause a website on Cloudflare. Whether you're conducting maintenance or addressing specific issues, this procedure can be beneficial. Let's dive in. First, head over to your account on Cloudflare. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering the Cloudflare dashboard URL. Once you're there, make sure you're logged in with your credentials and you'll find yourself on the account homepage. This is your control center where you can manage all aspects related to your websites that are currently managed via Cloudflare. On the account homepage, look for the domains section and click on it. This action will lead you to a comprehensive list of domains under your Cloudflare account. The domains section serves as a hub where you can see all active sites and their settings. Very useful if you're managing multiple domains. Now, you'll want to identify the specific domain you need to pause. Browse through your list and locate the domain of interest. It's crucial to ensure you're selecting the right one, as pausing a domain can affect its availability and functionality. Taking a moment here to double check will prevent any disruptions to your other sites. Once you've located the desired domain, you'll see a menu or an option represented by 3 dots or a settings link next to it. Click on these 3 dots. This opens up more settings specific to that domain, providing additional options for management. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with the settings available here, as they offer various features that could be of use to your domain management tasks beyond just pausing a site. Within this expanded menu, you'll find the option to pause Cloudflare. Clicking on this action brings you one step closer to temporarily disabling Cloudflare services on your selected domain. It's important to note that pausing Cloudflare means that the traffic to your site will bypass Cloudflare and connect directly to your web server. This is useful for troubleshooting, but removes the benefits of Cloudflare's security and performance features. Finally, you'll be prompted to confirm your choice by clicking on the pause button. Doing so officially pauses Cloudflare for the chosen domain. Remember, you can reactivate Cloudflare simply by going through a similar process and choosing to resume it when you're ready. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully paused a website on Cloudflare. This pause allows you to manage tasks directly without the influence of Cloudflare's services. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to revisit these steps whenever necessary.